What is up, YouTube? My name is You Already Know. Welcome back. I want to talk about this error code that a lot of people receive on Nike, whether it's real customers or it's resellers. Both experience the same issue. On desktop, you would get the error code 98d2586b, and if you were to try it on the app, you would get payment not accepted. Essentially, it means the same thing. So these are 8 reasons I have that why you might get the error. Even after you do some of these steps or you do all these steps, it still might not work because Nike's algorithm is very complicated and it's very hard to figure out why it's not working. And this started happening after September 15th, where they seem to upgraded their detection system or whatever. So number 1, you might have an account issue. So if you're getting this error, make a new account. That's pretty simple. Number 2, address issue. So if your address is this, try jigging it or manipulating it in a way where it's a little bit different, but it still goes to the same house. So spell out street, put the number after street, Number 3, payment issue. Try a different credit card. My advice is use Apple Pay. And when you add a card to Apple Pay, or whenever you add a card to Apple Pay, any website you purchase on, it'll detect it as like a brand new card. So even though technically it's the same card, when you make a purchase on a website, it'll detect it as a brand new card. So just use Apple Pay, makes it easier, especially for people who don't have multiple credit cards. IP issue. You want to reset your IP. Use a hotspot, use data. You don't want to use proxies or VPNs because Nike's pretty smart. They will detect that. Device issue. Reset your cookies and cache for your browser. Delete and re-download the app. Product issue. This is not that common anymore, but it did happen a couple of times. You should try a different product. If you think it's a product issue, try a different product. Discount code. So a lot of resellers want to use discount code. They want to maximize their profits. Nike did make changes on the website, so a lot of people who use or abuse discount codes, if they try it without a code, it will work. This is what they recommend usually, number 8, and it does work sometimes. You just wait it out. Nike has this system in place where if you try multiple attempts, it will automatically ban you, but then you just don't know because the error code is very vague. It'll just say this or payment not accepted, and a typical customer or normal customer will try multiple times to get it working. And yeah, if it doesn't work for you on the computer, try the app. Try using PayPal as well. That might help. It's just Nike has been very strict lately, and it's been very hard to figure out their system. What works for someone doesn't work for the other person. So yeah, lately they also implemented some new rules where you can't purchase multiple of a single model. And this person, even though it says in the email you can't purchase any Air Force Ones, when he tries to purchase shoes or socks, other shoes like Blazers or Jordans, he can't, or even socks. So the way Nike places these temporary bans is very weird. They're just hurting real customers as well. So even if you go to Twitter and search up the error code, you see all these people talking about having issues trying to buy in the Black Friday sale. So many people have this issue, and there's a lot of legitimate people who have this issue. So on Facebook, as you can see, this guy David Bowles, he said, "Thank you for." Nike replied to him, "Thank you for contacting us regarding the error you're receiving online. The issue is due to you processing numerous consecutive orders." This guy doesn't seem like a reseller. I guess he made multiple orders, and you fix it only by buying from Nike once every 3 days. What other online business only allows you to order once every 72 hours? So I get it why Nike might restrict it on items that are in high demand, but it doesn't make sense for you to restrict it on like socks or clothing, because this guy, even though he got restricted for, where is he? Okay, I will exit it out. Even though he got restricted for Air Force Ones, he can't buy socks or any other category products. He just like banned from Nike for some reason. And at the end of the day, I don't know how much it will affect Nike's business, but I know they missed revenue last quarter, and they might miss it again because of how many people are having trouble ordering online. And this is just some people. Keep in mind that there's a lot of people who are not even going to talk about it on Twitter. They're just going to give up or buy it from a different website. So Nike is losing out on a lot of business. But these are some steps that might help you. The thing is, there's so many like things that it could be a combination of this and like these number 4 and 5, and you might not know. Like, so you should do all these steps from the start to get a better idea. If that doesn't work for you, you should contact Nike, spam them, call them on the phone. They'll forward it to their boss, and they'll probably tell you to wait 72 hours. It's a terrible system, and you never know when you're gonna start getting the error code again. And if you try like more than 3 times, you're gonna have to wait 72 hours again. So if you get the error code more than 3 times, just don't do it again. Just wait, because you're just making it worse for yourself. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if any of these steps helped you, and if you have a better solution or you have a way that goes through all the time, because I haven't been able to figure out a way. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.